everyone. So today I'm going to show you all how to get easily started with Altium Designer. Before we move on, what is Altium Designer? Altium is a software that is used to design schematics and PCBs. It is one of the most powerful, modern, and easy to use softwares that is currently trending in the market these days. One of its major advantages is that it helps you to design and analyze or visualize your design by providing 3D models of your PCBs. So let's get started. First, we'll start by creating a new project. Let's click on File, New, and Project. Here you give a new name to your project. I'm going to give Alt Project 1 and let me save it. And now your project has been created. So this .prj PCB is the extension of your project file. And if you can hover over it, you'll see the exact location of where your file is getting saved. Now inside this project file, we'll be creating two other files. One is a schematic file, the other one is your PCB file. Let's create a schematic file first. I'll click on Add New to Project and click on Schematic. So your schematic file has been created. Now click on Ctrl S and save this. So I'll give a name to it, SCH1. My schematic file has been saved. If you can notice, you will be getting a star and a red color symbol here. This means that your project file has not been saved. So make sure you save your project file in order to not lose any data. So I'll be right clicking on it and click save. And now the symbol has vanished. So I'll repeat the same process and create a PCB file as well. So your PCB file has been created and now I'll save the PCB file too. Yeah, this being said, why do we need a schematic file? So a schematic file is the one where you'll be drawing your circuits, placing parts and symbols, and also be creating your own symbols and footprints. Whereas the PCB file is the one that helps you to visualize and organize your sensors in 3D format. Now, as I told you, we'll be in certain places, we'll be creating our own symbols and footprints. For that, we'll be requiring certain libraries. And how do you create a library? The same process as before. Click on Add New to Project and click on Schematic Library. So your schematic library has been created. Now, if you can notice towards the left corner, you have projects. Click on it and the previous tab appears. Let's save this file as well. And we have a schematic library here. It is only fair to have a PCB library as well. So repeat the same process and create a PCB library. And go to projects and save this one too. After creating all these files, go to your project and save the project file as well. This is very important. So this being said, we have created the two most important files that we'll be working on, the schematic file and the PCB file. So our initial setup is pretty much done. In the upcoming videos, I'll be showing you all how to create simple PCBs and generate all the necessary documents that are required to manufacture a PCB, like your BOM, that is the bill of materials, your Gerber files, and the other files as well. Thank you.